I'm starting off by prepping my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Today I'm going to be using my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. I'm starting off by picking up Crystal with my Morphe M170 brush. And with this shade, I'm highlighting my brow bone. As a transition, I'm going to be using the shade Transition, and I'm taking that in with my Morphe M504. Next, I'm taking the shade Are You Kidding Me closer to the crease, and I'm using my Morphe M332. I'm not going to be taking this shade all the way in. To deepen up the crease, I'm picking up brownie points with the Morphe R41. Then with the same brush, I'm picking up Teddy Bear. And I'm only pressing this into the outer lid. I'm carving out my lid with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my Morphe M170 brush. Always remember to blend out the edge of the concealer. Now with a flat synthetic brush, I'm picking up Cool Beans. And I'm pressing that onto the lid. With the Morphe R41 brush, I'm picking up Wine and Dine, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with that. Over Wine and Dine, I'm applying Cranberry Splash, and for that I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Dual Silicone Applicator. Now on the inner lower lash line, I'm applying So Jelly. Now I'm highlighting my tear duct with Crystal. I'm going to be adding a wing with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. And now I'm going back in with my Maybelline Master Concealer and an e.l.f. concealer brush to clean up the wing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm completely done with my makeup, I'm gonna move on to the haul. So I went to MAC the other day and I picked up a few things that they actually had on sale. So I think they're little holiday gift sets, but I got both of the ones that I found. So they each come with 2 glitters and 2 pigments. This one has like a champagne pigment and a burgundy pigment along with a gold and copper glitter. And the other one has a white pigment and a fuchsia pigment along with a rose and purple glitter. So these are really cute. And I got these for $22.50, I think. Yeah, they're even great for gifts. So, and then they also had a lip gloss set. So these are really fucking pretty. This one's like a glittery champagne shade. And then it has a nude glittery and a pink and a kind of a red orange kind of color. They're all really pretty though. And they also had the Aaliyah stuff on clearance. So I got this lip gloss, which is in the shade Brooklyn Born. And super fucking pretty. So that's what I got at MAC. And then I also got a few things from Sephora. Thought I got more stuff, but whatever. So I finally got my hands on the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. So I'm super excited about this. I actually wanted to use this on the tutorial today, but all the shades are pretty much like summer, you know, shades. So I might hold on to this at least until spring hits. So yeah, I'm excited as fuck to use this. And I actually wasn't going to do a clothing haul, but why not? I mean, I'm already doing this, right? So Okay, so the first thing is this fucking sweater. I got it at Express, and it is probably the most coziest, most comfortable sweater I've ever worn. Original price was $80, but they had everything in the store half off, so I got it for 40. Yeah, so it's just a super soft, oversized sweater. I got it in black, and I also got it in gray. See? And then it has a little half zipper, and it has two little pockets. So that's cool. And I had been wanting tube tops for so long, and I actually found some there as well. These I only got for $8, cheap as fuck. So I got it in black, and I also got a white one. I got these like workout leggings. They're Adidas. They're really cute. They're like in a gray blue kind of color. I actually got these at Costco, and I think they were $10, cheap as shit. So that's what those look like, and I got it with the matching sweater. So of course the same color, but on the sleeves it has like a light gray with the 3 stripes, and the sweater was like 13 bucks. So yeah, and it's super soft on the inside. And then moving on to the Forever 21 stuff, I got this oversized v-neck sweater. It's actually super soft and comfy. I don't remember how much it was because I actually already wore it, but yeah, I think it was only like 12 bucks maybe, because they had a sale going on and it was half off of all like sweaters and stuff. So that was one of them. And this is for sure one of my most favorite things I got from this haul, and it's this little cropped corduroy jacket. I love it so much. And it was, like I said, half off, so I only paid like 12 bucks for it. The main thing I went into Forever 21 for was shirts, because I really wanted and needed new shirts. So this is one of them. It's cute as fuck. I also got it in black and white, and this was $14.90. I also got this turtleneck, long sleeve, mustard yellow, and it was $15.90. I have this long sleeve dress, and it's not turtleneck, but it does go all the way up to the neck. It probably goes down to like mid-thigh, and this was $19.90. Yeah, I said I was going in there for shirts, but I came out with a bunch of dresses. I got this one, again, it's like not quite, it's like half a turtleneck, you know what I mean? And it's like a mustard yellow, long sleeve, and it was $12.90. And then I also got it, the exact same thing, but like in this burnt brown orange kind of color. So this will be cute as shit with like a little crop jacket over it and some thigh-high boots. This is like a maroon little bodysuit, sleeveless, has a little twist in the front, and this was $12.90. I know I'm going kind of fast, but I'm tired of shit, so I'm trying to go to bed. I know I have no business buying fucking skirts right now in this cold, but I bought this one. I thought it was super cute and that it would go really cute with those checkered shirts I bought. It has a zipper. It goes all the way to the bottom. So yeah, it's super stretchy. And the material is really, really soft. And this one was $15.90. And then here I have another turtleneck. This one's black. It's a bodysuit. And it also has like a little opening in the front, so that's cute, different. And this one was $14.90. I also got this one in a mustard yellow, but I used that one. I actually used quite a few things. So, and I have this little, it's not necessarily crop, but kind of, so this would be really cute with some high-waisted pants with the belt. And yeah, so it's a little bit oversized. And this one was $17.90, but like I said, half off. And here I have, let's see, what do I have? Oh, another turtleneck. This one's not bodysuit though, but it is super fucking comfy. The material is really, really soft. And this one was $14.90. And then another thing I had been wanting for a while was like this mesh material kind of shirt so that I could wear like a cute like tank top under it. So I got that, and this is like a turtleneck, long sleeve. And I also got one in, it's like a long sleeve as well, but it's not turtleneck. So, oh, and then one of my favorite things as well. This is like a tube top dress, black, and it's pretty long. It goes like almost all the way down to my ankles. It's pretty fucking long, but it's really cute. I think this would look good with some like either white sneakers, sandals, heels. Cute as fuck. And it was only $14.90. I actually got probably like 4 other shirts too, really fucking cute, but I already worn them. So yeah, I'm not gonna get to show you guys those, but it's okay. It was still a shitload of stuff that I got. But that wraps up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe before you guys head out. I'll see you next time.